Hey guys, welcome. I'm going to show you how to do just a couple things under the hood today of your Fiat 500. This is a 2015 Fiat 500c. I'm going to show you how to access your air filter, access your spark plugs, and a couple other things. Really basic tools that you need to do this. You need your socket wrench, an 8mm socket. I like to have a little extender on there, just makes it a little bit easier. And you need yourself a flathead screwdriver. So first thing, we're going to look at this part right here. This is literally just held on with a couple, I don't know what they're called, little things that press down, so you don't need any tools. There's one in each corner, one right there, one right there, one right there. One in the back. All right, let you take that off. And this is the air filter right here. You might not have this. This is just a sticker letting you know there's a K and N filter in this one, so it's a reusable filter that gets oiled, used over and over again. So to get this whole thing off here, there's 1, 2, 3 8mm bolts. This is kind of held in by a clip on the back, and then you've got connection here, and then the connection here to the air filter. So first thing, I'm going to go ahead and unscrew these bolts right here. There's one right there. They are pretty long. Just keep pulling. They do come off eventually. All right, that one's undone. That one's good. You'll be able to see the one back here when you look in. Okay, so that's all loose. That's good. You take your flathead screwdriver and you're gonna loosen this guy right here. That lets that pull off. This thing you're gonna leave attached, you're gonna pull it off from right here. And it just loops over. And then this is attached right here as well. Oh, and we got this thing in the back. You can just unclip that real quick. Loose enough on that bolt there. Okay. That should give us some leverage here. Cool. And you can take that whole part out. This part right here is the air filter. If you want to take the air filter out, just undo these screws right here and you can change your air filter. I said this one is a K&N reusable and it's already oiled, so I'm not going to take it out of there, but that is how you get to that. So we're going to set that aside for now. All right, now once you're inside here, these are going to switch up here to 10mm. Gonna be 10mm here. So your spark plugs gonna be down in here. Now you can get one of these off without also removing this. Otherwise, you're going to have to pull this sucker off right here. It may drip a little bit of oil out when you do it, so be a tiny bit careful. But you can take this apart. I'll wiggle that off of there. And that'll kind of free this whole area up right here. Now these are held in place by the 10mm bolt, as well as you got your electrical thing right there. So I'm going to use my screwdriver again. I find them a little bit tricky. Basically, I'm gonna get that screwdriver hooked in the tab there. It's gonna let me pull that plastic piece out. See that? So that is what the tab looks like. You get that 10mm. And these are all going to be held on by those bolts. Once you've got that out, go ahead and separate the clip here. Remember, if I pull it up or push it down. Oh, there we go. All right, so the clip actually separates right there. I thought it separated up here, so just when you do that, be aware it's gonna come off right there. And that'll let you get the plug out. And then your spark plug is gonna be down inside there. Awesome, so that's how you access under the engine and the spark plugs.